All right, we are currently under a tornado warning. Tornado sirens are sounding right here in my neighborhood in Dallas. There's already a confirmed tornado on the north side of Dallas. There's one that might be in Red Oak right now where my mother lives. I contacted some people, members of the church. Woo! Yeah. Tornado warning sirens are sounding. Okay, we're gonna go into the garage. I think they shut off, I think. I don't hear them anymore. They stopped, I think. Woo. Whoa, I better shut this off. Whoa. I better shut this thing down. They stopped, huh?
The sirens are still going.
I don't hear them at all.
I just heard them in the back.
Aren't you glad we did this?